Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2366. Bulk change many workbooks. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today's question from Lakshmi on YouTube. Can you please suggest how to replace Excel sheet name with their own file name in bulk? And we talked a little bit. If the file is called apple.xlsx, the first sheet, there's only one sheet per workbook, would just be called Apple. Get rid of the XLSX. All right, so I set up a folder out here that has a whole bunch of files that I want to change. And the first thing we have to do is get a list of these files in Excel. So the fast, easy way to do that, data, get data from file, from folder. I will copy the address here, Control C, paste in there, or you could use the browse, whichever you want to do. Click OK. And say transform data. And all I want is the folder path and the file name. So I choose file name and folder path and right click and say remove the other columns. And then I'm going to move the folder path before the name like that. Select both columns and say add column, merge columns. Separator is none because there's a closing backslash. That's great. Click OK. All right, and that now gives me path and file name. I can get rid of these, remove columns, and home, close and load. All right, so our plan is going to be that you're going to select the list. Let's say that there's something in here that you didn't want. Go ahead and delete those rows. Select the list, and then we're going to switch over to VBA with Alt F11. If you've never been in VBA before, it opens up to this gray screen. Control R will display the Project Explorer. That's the workbook we're in now, and say insert module. We get a blank module, right? And so down in the YouTube description is this code. Copy the code from the YouTube description and paste right here. Click anywhere in the code and click run, and it will open a workbook for each item in your selection, changing the sheet name, close the workbook, save changes equals true. Quick test here, we'll just choose one of these, mango, and there it is, sheet name has been changed. That's it. Well, hey, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks, Lakshmi, for sending that question in, and thanks to you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.